Hi, everybody. It's by Alexis YouTube. I am a realtor located in Morehead City, North Carolina, and I serve all of the Crystal Coast and pretty much all over the US. I can find you an agent. So today's video is going to be on how to repair your credit. I know that is a lot of just stress for people. There are people out there who want to own a home, who want to buy a car, things like that, but your credit's holding you back. So today I have with me Levander Murrell. He is going to explain how you can just wipe all the bad things off your credit. So Levander, just explain to us about your company.
Yes, ma'am. So the company that I partner with is United Credit Education Services. That was founded back in 2004. They out of Farmington, Michigan. The headquarters is. So with the company, what we do is we pretty much analyze your credit report, and we leverage what we call the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Basically, that's the act that was passed by Congress back in 1970, stating and giving you and us rights as consumers to dispute any negative item off your credit report. So if anything on your credit report is not 100% accurate, 100% timely, 100% verifiable, then it has to be removed. So that's how the company actually to go in legally and analyze your credit report and try to help you get them items disputed and get them removed.
Awesome, sounds good. So explain the process for doing that. I know a lot of people are wanting things off their credit fast. What is the process and what is the timeline for that?
Okay, so ain't nothing really guaranteed, but typically customers see results within 45 to 90 days. Um, Most customers, see results between the time 45 to 90 days, but you gotta realize, it take a lot for your credit to go down, take time for your credit to go down, so it's gonna take time for your credit to go up. So typically customers see results within 45 to 90 days. By law, we got to give the credit bureaus 30 to 45 days to respond. And then and if they don't respond within 30 to 45 days, it's automatically delete off your credit report as well.
Okay, awesome. Sounds
Yeah.
good. So if anybody is wondering how to go about this, what tips and advice do you have for them?
Okay, so this is the tip that I have for y'all. So your credit score is calculated five different ways. One way, 35% of your credit score is calculated by payment history. So guys, make sure you paying your bills on time. That's extremely important. Anything 30 to 60 to 90 days can potentially drop your credit score to 50 to 100 points. So that's why it's important to make sure you pay your payments on time. And then 30% of your credit score is calculated by capacity and amount owed. So basically, if you got a credit card, don't max your credit cards out, guys. Keep it below 30%, because once you max it out, the credit bureaus, they're gonna be like, they're gonna kind of think you're a high risk because you just spending every month the max limit. So they're gonna kind of think you're a high risk. So it's kind of like you desperate for money, if that makes sense. And then the other way, 15% is length of credit. So length of credit, just make sure the longer you have credit, the better your credit is gonna get. And then 10% is new credit. So what I recommend, 2 or 3 times out of a year, try to get some new credit, because that also help your credit score as well. And then the other 10% is installment loans and revolver loans. And revolver loans is kind of like credit cards, and installment loan is like house payment, mortgage, and stuff like that. So it's good to have a good mixture of credit lines also. So them the five tips that I really want to stress to y'all, because that's 100% of your credit score, and that can help your credit score go up a lot if you maintain all them five tips.
Awesome. So now as far as like hospital bills and student loans, you guys do that as well, don't you?
Yes, yes. So far as the student loans, we just go through with the fair credit report. Also, we leverage that. With the medical bills, we analyze something about the HIPAA law. So if y'all ain't too familiar about that, it just basically when you go to the hospital, you sign a form. Only you and another person is able, or whoever you want is able to see that report, to see your medical report. So once they send it off, that's kind of once they send it off to like a credit agency, they didn't if they haven't have you re-signed on forms, then that's a violation of the HIPAA law, and that's how we can go in and get them removed as well.
Okay, so yeah, I mean, I don't think anybody has ever signed another form saying you could send this to my credit. So yeah,
Yeah,
that
yeah. So most medical bills can be removed with our company, guys. And I mean, this company is so great. Good thing about our company, see, we dispute every single negative item off your credit report, like all at the same time, so you get a quicker turnaround. Like places like Lester Law Firm, places like that, they only do like one or two. We do every single one on all three credit bureaus. That's what make our company stand out.
awesome. All right. So I'm sure you have a lot of testimonials. Right offhand, can you think of any?
Yeah, so actually I'm a part of the product. So I got started with a company 3 months ago, and my credit score went up 70 points already. And we still working on it. And yes, ma'am. So the company was able to get four negative items removed off of my credit report. A personal loan, a couple things, um, and a personal loan, a couple things like that. And then my wife actually been in for 2 months, and her score risen over 100 points.
Wow.
So she definitely close to her goal. Yes, ma'am. And she got like five negative items removed as well. So she definitely about to touch the 700 club and everything. So we very
That is
excited.
awesome.
This company been going to work and been helping a lot of people around the world um, getting their credit back right and teaching them financial literacy also.
Awesome. So that is definitely something I want to point buyers in the direction of that 2 or 3 months. I mean, in 2 or 3 months, they'll be ready to get a mortgage loan and buy their dream homes. That is
Absolutely.
awesome. That's great.
Absolutely. If you follow the process, this company is really good. We recommend customers stay with us for 6 months to get the maximum benefit. But I mean, like I said, typically customers see results within 45 to 90 days with this company. And I mean, this company got like a million since they open. They got a million negative items removed off of people with credit report.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Okay. Anything else you want to add?
So we pretty much went over everything. I just want to like point out credit is everything. You need credit to buy a house. You need credit to get a car. I mean, some jobs even look at your credit.
Hmm.
Like, I mean, I just want to say this, so money is king, but cash is king, but credit is power. So learn how to leverage your credit. Once you learn how to leverage your credit, you can have your money in the bank and you can have your money sitting in the bank and you can just leverage your credit. That's pretty much all I had. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome.
Um, you know, this I'm just so excited, just jumping for joy because I mean this company is truly amazing, and I'm so glad that I get to partner with this company to help a million people across the world and help people change their life for the better.
Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to put your information down below in the About Me section. I am going to also, I'm going to put your phone number if that's okay, or your email
Yeah,
so that people who watch this video can actually reach out to you directly.
yeah.
So yeah, that way you can help them, talk to them personally and see what you can do for them.
Yes. Anybody that need help, anybody that want to, work on some things with their credit and stuff like that, please give me a call. I'll be more than happy to help you, and so we can get your credit back where you want it to be.
Awesome. Thank you, Levander. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any more questions, please comment below. I'm going to put his information down below as well so that you can contact him in person. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.